Artist Indiana James gets to work on his robust roo sculpture. It once took pride of place in the entrance hall of the luxurious multi-million-dollar Southern Ocean Lodge.
The very first drone flight we saw after the fire across the front of the hotel, you could see sunshine standing through the broken windows. And I figured there was no hope.
Southern Ocean Lodge was built 13 years ago, and up until January last year, it attracted an elite clientele. On January 3rd, a fire of such intensity took all before it, including Sunshine's glass eyes that once kept watch over guests.
That eyeball that cracked down the middle cracked at about 700 degrees.
Manager John Hurd will never forget that day.
When the Ember attack started, it was as though somebody had thrown down a magnesium flare and everything was just bright white and with rolling cloud heading up into the heavens. And that was basically then was when we opened all the valves on all the sprinkler systems and made a run for the bunker here.
John and his wife Alison and 4 other staff hunkered down here for 2 hours.
It roared like a jet engine, like a jet taking off, and it hit us 5 times.
The bunker did its job. At his Glenelg office, the experienced architect Max Pritchard gets to work on Southern Ocean Lodge Mark II. For him, adversities provided time to rethink a building that became a world leader in nature-based tourism.
It was time to refresh, perhaps have a new look at the layout of the suites was the main thing we've changed. Making them more dynamic, making more use of the view.
The concrete slab remains largely intact. John and his staff are now propagating plants that'll surround any future development and keep heat and fuel loads to a minimum. Despite the trauma of a year ago, John's determined to create a new future at Hanson Bay.
It gets into you. It's part of it. It's not just a job. It's your home. It's everything that you do. It's your life, basically. And to see it wiped out by a fire was devastating. But at the same time, we have to rebuild it. We have to bring it back. It's hoped that by March 2023, a new Southern Ocean Lodge will have risen from the ashes. And Sunshine, that iconic kangaroo sculpture, will reclaim his proper place here with his spectacular view of the Southern Ocean.
We all want to see a phoenix rise out of ashes.
Sunshine's bouncing back, and so too the dream of a new Southern Ocean Lodge. Ron Candelars, 7 News.